Synthetic division. Today I will discuss to you how to find the quotient and remainder of polynomials using synthetic division. Let us have an example. Use synthetic division in finding the quotient and remainder of x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. First, get the divisor and equate into 0. So, we have x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then, we transposed positive 2 into the other side of the equation by adding the inverse of positive 2. We have x plus 2 is equal to 0. The inverse of positive 2 is negative 2. Then, we will add also negative 2 on the other side of the equation. So, we have x plus 0 is equal to 0 minus negative 2 is still negative 2. Then, we have x plus 0 is still x is equal to negative 2. So, we have x is equal to negative 2. We are now ready, using the synthetic division. Get the negative 2, then also get the numerical coefficient of the polynomial expression or the dividend. We have positive 1, positive 4, positive 5, and positive 5. After you get all the numerical coefficient of the dividend. As a first step, bring down 1. 1 multiply by negative 2. The answer is negative 2. Write negative 2 in second row. Then, proceed to addition. Since they will different sign, then it will proceed to subtraction and the sign will depends on the number with higher value. So, we will add 4 plus negative 2, it will proceed to subtraction. So we have 4 minus 2 is equal to positive 2. Then, 2 multiply to negative 2 the answer is negative 4. Since they are different in sign. Again, it will proceed to subtraction. 5 minus 4 the answer is 1. Then, 1 multiply to negative 2, the answer is negative 2. Since they different in sign it will proceed in subtraction. 5 minus 2 the answer is positive 3. We are already done in solving. Let us now transform the result into polynomial expression. We have, the positive 3 as the remainder, then 1 will be the constant term. Then, 2 will be 2x or the linear term. Then, 1 will be x squared or the quadratic term. As you can see, the arrangement of the power of x is in decreasing form, which is the standard form of polynomial expression. This is how you write the polynomial expression. Then, we have the quotient, x squared plus 2x plus 1 and a remainder of 3. For more videos on mathematics, please don't forget to subscribe.